What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be breaking down Paradox Rift build and battle boxes and giving you guys the details that I got while breaking these down. Let you guys know what to actually expect from these boxes. Can you make money by buying and breaking down these boxes, and some notable cards inside that you might even want for your collection. What you're going to get when you open up one of these build and battle boxes is 4 packs from Paradox Rift in this case, because we're doing Paradox Rift, and you're going to get a sealed brick of cards. Now, in these bricks, you're going to get one of 4 promo cards, and in the build and battle boxes I'm opening here, you're going to see Chi-Yu's, Aegislash's, Zatu's, and Iron Bundles. Those are the 4 promos. I opened up 51 build and battles. I bought a case, 60 come in a case, and of those 51, I got 13 Chi-Yu promos, I got 14 Aegislash promos, 15 Zatu promos, and 9 Iron Bundle promos. When you break these bricks open, it seemed to me like each promo card would have one of 2 possible variations of their decks, depending on what the second element is, so to say. You'll see when I'm breaking down what I mean. After breaking everything down, these are the cards that we got. Aside from the stamped promos, I got 90 Chi-Yus. That is a lot of Chi-Yus, just saying. 30 Ultra Balls, 25 Zatus, 50 Natus, 30 Earthen Vessels, 50 Hondage, 30 Parasol Lady, 53 Aegislashes, 25 Tulips, 20 Larrys, 21 Bills Transfers, 21 Iron Bundles, 52 Doublades, 25 Mesagoses, 30 Clavels, 51 Jacques, 21 Nemonas, 56 Rikas, 52 Youngsters, 21 Nest Balls, 26 Rare Candies, 50 Fliddles, 50 Espathra, 31 Mellas, 30 Magbies, 30 Elekid, 30 Iron Moth, 63 Winpods, and 63 Galicipods. It's a lot of cards. It's a lot of bulk. But for me, the reason I'm doing this video is because I wanted to see how much I could get my price per pack down by just doing the legwork and actually flipping these cards. Now let's talk a little bit about the money. The case cost me $777. So now if you do the numbers and you sell those cards, I'm talking just those 6 cards that I named, the Chi-Yu, the Aegislash, the Zatu, the Iron Bundle, Earthen Vessel, and Nest Ball. Those 6 cards, whatever quantity it is that you wound up with, just those cards is going to sell to $132.90. Selling the cards that you know you're getting. To stay on the safe side of things, we're going to use 20% for fees and shipping, and 20% of that it comes out to $27 about. That leaves you with $106. Subtract that number from your initial payment, that $820. Now all of a sudden your packs aren't $3.41 anymore. Now, after selling just those 6 cards, your price per pack comes down to $2.97. You're down below $3. So whether you like to collect or you just want to sell, this is information that's good to know. People always ask, how do people get packs for so cheap? Now, again, I know that there probably aren't too many people that are doing this. If you're small, you want to start, you're trying to figure out ways to make money, maybe this is right up your alley. Maybe you like breaking down products, going through the cards, and seeing what's in there. The only thing I would advise is have somewhat of an idea of what's coming out in that set so that you don't get burnt buying cards that aren't worth anything. That's just a little, maybe an unnecessary warning. But this is information that I just wanted to share with you guys. I bought the case to break it down to see if I could make money on it. If you could sell those packs for $4, especially on, say, your own website where fees are non-existent, now you could kind of start making money. There are other ways to make money selling Pokemon cards. Is this the best way? Probably not, but I wanted to try it. And now that I have, I'm sharing that information with you guys. So do me a favor, leave a comment. Let me know if you like the stuff that I'm putting on here for you guys. If not, maybe I'll do something different. But let me know. I would really appreciate it. It goes a long way. I'm Chrissy Whispers. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next video.